Okay, we're looking at Minitest 26, question 1. So we've got a box of mass 8 kilograms. It's on a smooth floor, so that's important. Means there's no friction involved. And we've got 12 newtons, and we're told here that that's an angle of 20 degrees. So that angle there is 20 degrees, and it's causing the box to accelerate, which it must be doing if there's no friction, because there's nothing holding it up. And we need the acceleration of the box. Okay. So let's sketch that out. So it was a 20-degree angle, and was it 12 newtons? Yeah, 12 newtons, and the mass of the box is 8 kilograms. So the downward force is 8g. There is a reaction force. I won't need to calculate that because it's not going to affect this part of the calculation. So I'm going to use F equals ma. I'm going to take the right as positive. So the only force is that 12 newtons, and that is pulling towards the right, but it's not the full 12 newtons. I need to work out this part of it. So this is adjacent to the 20-degree angle. So the horizontal component of that force is going to be 12. Oh, crikey, at the end, right. 12, and then it's adjacent, so that's going to be 12 cos 20. And that's the only force. So that's the total resultant force to the right, and that equals the mass of the box, which I know is 8 kilograms, multiplied by acceleration. So if I do 12 cos 20 divided by 8, I get an acceleration of 1.41 meters per second squared. Okay, so that was part A, and then now I do need the normal reaction. Okay, so if there were no, so that was part A, do part B. If there were no other forces, then the reaction would just equal the weight of the box. But this 12 newtons, part of that is working upwards, so that's actually going to reduce the reaction. So if I resolve forces vertically, and the box is in equilibrium vertically, it's not moving up or down, then I can say the downward force of 8g, so that's the only downward force, must equal the total upward forces, which is r working straight up, and then now I want that component of the 12 newtons, so that is opposite the 20 degrees, so that is going to be 12 sine 20. So r will equal 8g minus 12 sine 20. So if I plug that into my calculator, that gives me a reaction of 74.3 newtons to two significant figures.